Want to turn ChatGPT into your 24/7 IGTM bot? Watch how to do it using ManyChat's built-in tools. First, connect your Instagram account inside ManyChat. Yup, it supports direct DM automation. Next, create a trigger. You can use a keyword like help. Now drag in a custom action block and send the user's message to ChatGPT using an API request. When ChatGPT replies, use ManyChat's dynamic content to send that answer right back through DMs. You can test everything inside ManyChat before going live. And just like that, you've got an AI-powered support bot running on Instagram day and night. Hit the link in the description to try ManyChat and build your first smart bot for free.